This is a video showing you how to insert your iPad into the case. Now, some of you might already have your iPad inserted for you, and so if you're lucky enough to have that done for you, then you can just go ahead and skip this. But for those who didn't, you're going to get your case as a separate item in your bin, and there is a little rim around here that you're going to want to it helps to have nails for this, but you're going to pull this edge out. It does bend a little bit and it takes a little bit of effort, but eventually, there we go, you will be able to pull it out. And when you do, you'll notice that there's one side that has a tab here in the corner. You can see that a little bit. So that's where you're going to insert it when you get it back in. So you're going to take that out. You're going to grab your iPad and make sure that you're aligning the buttons with the buttons on the iPad. So the top and the, just make sure it's facing up. And your home button is going to have a little bit of a notch on this thing. So that's where you know that that's the bottom. So you'll insert with this tab first to put it in here. And then you're going to try to snap all the way around and push it in until it gets into your case.